Hey there, welcome back to the How Fix It channel. Today, I show you how to replace buttons on the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. If you've been experiencing any issues with your buttons, don't worry, we've got you covered. First things first, let's gather the tools you'll need for this repair. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a plastic opening tool. These tools will ensure a smooth disassembly process without causing any damage to the controller. I've included links on where to buy all the necessary tools in the description. I also advise using a magnetic mat throughout the disassembly process. While disassembling, manage each screw's placement to ensure accurate reassembly, and you don't have to worry about the screws getting lost. They will all securely adhere to the magnetic mat. Now flip your controller over and grab that screwdriver. Carefully remove the screws on the bottom of the controller. Remember, keep track of each screw, as they can vary in size. Gently insert the plastic opening tool between the controller's seams and carefully work your way around. Now we have access to the battery and it's time to remove it. These two holes will not fit a standard bit, so you will need a long head screwdriver to remove these two screws. With the screws removed, it's time to open the controller. Be patient and take your time, ensuring not to force anything because the two parts are still connected by a flex cable. First, open the connector locking tab, then disconnect the flexible cable. First, let's move to remove the L, R, ZR, and ZL buttons. Remove two screws and disconnect the flex cable. Now, go back to the front panel of the controller. Remove the two screws, then you can remove the control button board. Remove the rubber pads and all the buttons from the faceplate controller. Now the front panel of the controller is completely free and ready for installing new buttons. In the video description below, I've left links to new buttons and rubber pads for the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. Let's get started installing replacement buttons. Now that your new buttons are in place, let's put everything back together. Align the two halves and snap them back into place. Don't forget to secure it with those screws we safely put aside earlier. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the How Fix It channel for more tech guides. Stay tuned for our next video, and as always, happy gaming, everyone.